In today's video, I'm going to show you how to decorate your dining room for Christmas on a budget. I'm Liberty from Before and Afters, where I show you how to make hard things easier. To start off, if you want your tree to be taller, a coffee table is a great idea. Yours does not have to be round like mine happened to be, but just be sure that it's sturdy and large enough for the base of your tree. I received this 4-piece garland and Christmas tree set from King of Christmas, and I can hardly wait to get my dining room hutch all decorated for Christmas. I had decided which colors I'm going to use before last Christmas was even over, so I was able to buy some things on clearance. But first, let me tell you how I happen to be decorating in this blush pink and gold color scheme, because I am not a pink kind of girl. It all started because I was given 2 of these beautiful pink donut ornaments. They are just gorgeous, and that's how I ended up getting these pear ornaments, because they had some pink and gold. I'm really thankful that I decided to not balance my garland and use these hooks instead. You really don't want to take a chance that you're going to break your ornaments or your garland if it's pre-lit like this one is. Last year, King of Christmas gave me my full-size queen pre-lit flocked Christmas tree, and this year they sent this 4-piece garland set that includes a wreath and 2 3-foot trees. This set can be either battery operated or plugged in with a cord, except for the wreath. It can only be battery operated. Okay, I'm switching back and forth here. If you haven't figured it out yet, my Christmas tree is opposite my dining room hutch, with the table in the middle. At the end, I'll show you a video of everything all set up so you can tell. In case you didn't know already, I found this hutch at a thrift store and painted both the top and the bottom, and I will link to those details in the description below. Pears would have never been something that I would choose to decorate with, but they just happened to fit in with the color scheme, and I am so pleased with how it turned out. Okay, back to the Christmas tree. I stuck some pink and gold garland back deep into the tree, and then I added some pine cones. After the pine cones, I added just some plain filler ornaments to give it more color. Okay, I want to show you how to do a nice curly ribbon like this. It's very easy to do. You cut the ribbon to the length you want, and then you just roll it up like so. This piece is about 100 inches long. So a little over 8 feet. And it needs to be wired ribbon. So this has tiny little wire edges. Once you roll it up like that, you grab the middle and you just pull it up like that, and then at the bottom where it's a little bigger than you want, you just twist it a little more, and you can loosen it up if it's too tight. like this until it's about just right. And then you can hang it wherever you like. I would never have thought that I would decorate a romantic Christmas tree, but here it is. It's turning out really nice, and I'm just amazed. These colors were too bright for the pale blush color of my tree. To get the shade that I wanted, I ended up spray painting the dried flower white and then spritzing just a little bit of peach into it. I found these cute bells in just the right shade last year at a thrift store for $1 a piece. Thank you so much, King of Christmas. I thought you would enjoy seeing the different light patterns that you can set this tree at. Of course, the solid and the blinking. I think this one is my favorite. And then gradually lighting up. Then there's sort of a crazy one here. I think that's my least favorite. I just love the glow of the Christmas lights on these tin ceilings. I never knew how beautiful it was going to be when I decided on tin ceilings. Then, of course, there's the glow of the sunlight during the daytime, and that is also so beautiful. Just like pine cones, hydrangeas are free from nature, and they are so versatile because you can spray paint them any color you like, or you can just leave them natural. Be sure to check out my blog post that I will link in the description below, and I will tell you about more ways that I've used dried hydrangeas. And welcome to my dining room. I would enjoy having friends over for Christmas tea, or coffee, or ice cream, but probably we should have donuts with pink frosting. I hope you have enjoyed seeing how this room came together, and I hope that some ideas have inspired you for your own house. Thanks for watching.